Hello and welcome to Heart of Glitter. In this video, I'm going to show how to make this beautiful floral toran today. Since Diwali is approaching, I decided to make some torans or bandanwars to give as gift to my friends and family. To begin with, I'm using a plywood sheet that is 3 inch by 3 feet in dimensions. I got the sheet from Joann. You can also get it from any other wood or plywood or carpenter store. I'm using this burlap cloth to cover my plywood sheet. I'm using hot glue gun throughout this project to stick things on it. Hot glue gun is my most favorite for home decor projects because it's quick to use. Be careful that you don't burn your finger while using hot glue gun. Using my hot glue gun, I pasted the burlap cloth. After pasting burlap cloth, I'm using this ribbon to cover edges just so it looks clean from the back side. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, this is just an optional step. Next, I'm going to add hangings to this project. To add hangings, I'm going to use ribbons and split rings. I'm going to use 3 strips of these ribbon. I cut 3 strips that are 1 foot each approximately, and then I'm going to add these split rings to the ribbons. This is an easy way to add hangings to your torans or wall hangings. Once I added split rings to the center of these ribbons, I started adding them to the toran base that I created earlier. First, I'm adding glue stick to the base of the bandanwar, and then once it's tied from one end, I'm going to add some more glue stick to the center of the ribbon and then fold the other half of the ribbon on top of it. And this way I have the split ring on the top that I can use to hang this toran on the walls. I'm going to do the same thing on the other edge and in the center. This way I'm using total of 3 hangings, one on each edge and another one in the center. Make sure you're using a sharp scissors to cut your ribbons. Instead of pink, you could also use another color. I had this pink ribbon handy, so I just used that one. Once we are done with the hangings, I'm going to add this pearl string. I'm adding these pearl strings at 3 points, one on each edge and another one at the center. To find the center of the pearl string, I'm just eyeballing it, approximately measured the center and added it just below the split ring, the center split ring that we added. Next, I'm going to add this golden trim. As I said earlier, the theme for today's bandanwar is burlap and golden base, and then I'm going to add some red and pink flowers and accents on top of it. Once I added enough hot glue to this trim, I cut the end with the scissors. And then comes my most favorite part, decorating it. To begin with, I'm adding some gold leaves and red roses to the toran. I added 1 rose to the center and another one to the edge, and then I'm coming back to add another one to the center below the first rose that we added, and similarly I'm going to add 4 roses to the center. The roses here are foam roses. Foam flowers are my most favorite because they look the closest to natural flowers. You could also use silk flowers if that is what you find. I have heard from friends that it is difficult to find foam flowers back in India, especially for the larger sizes, so you can go with silk flowers instead. After adding flowers, I am adding this pearl laces, just to make sure that the pearl string doesn't fall away. I'm adding just a little bit of glue at places. Please don't add a lot of hot glue to these foam flowers because that would destroy the shape of those flowers. After adding pearls and flowers to all 3 points, that is the center and both edges, I'm adding these green garlands on the center of those flowers to add some green accent. We are adding different shades of colors here so that the whole piece comes together and has a rich look. After adding the green garland, I'm adding some red flowers, keeping some distance in the center to add another color flowers. I added a total of 3 red flowers, and then I came back with some pink flowers and I started adding one pink flower in between each red flower. First I was going to keep just the red flowers here, but then I thought just the red color looked dull, so I came back with pink flowers here. After adding the pink flowers, I'm adding some gold flowers for accents. This is optional. I thought the red was a bit too much, so I decided to add some gold flowers on top of it. I'm adding gold accents only on the center bunch and the two edges, because I thought the red was a little bit of too much on its own. And this is how the final piece looks like. I'm pretty happy with the result. Please let us know in comments what you think of this Bandhanwar, and are you going to make any torans for your home this Diwali? Consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more from us. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye.